having fun and giving presents because this is a birthday party and there's a whole mountain of sweet treats. It would take a week to eat all this. Sweet paradise. Freeze! Nobody move! This is a sugar robbery! Everybody go home! There will be no more party, kids! Oh no! At least leave the balloons! But the candy robbers know no mercy! Resistance is futile! You can't save these desserts! Give it up! It's all ours now! Breaking news! Notorious robbers Simple and Dimple have escaped from sugar prison! The city's sugar supply is in grave danger! They took all the candy from us! Move, kids! Look at what Simple and Dimple did to the kids' party! They are cold-blooded criminals! They are back on the slippery slope of sweet robbery! Boo! Here comes the robbers themselves! And they have an important message for all the people of the city! Watch out! We'll get you, too! Ah! No way! This is terrible news! My candy is in danger! All Amanda's candy, gum, and lollipops are in danger! We have to hide everything! Not a single gummy bear should get stolen! The sugar burglars are already in the house! Time to hide the candy! Watch out, kids! But Amanda knows what to do! Let's go! Amanda's room! Good! I made it there safely! This is a good place to lay low for a while! By the way, I have an interesting idea! Simple and Dimple are close! Oh! Candy! So, there must be a whole lot of candy somewhere close! Cookies, marshmallows, chocolate bars, and all that will be ours! I think we're in Amanda's house! Her mother owns a candy factory! Let's follow the candy trail! This girl's room is very sweet! Wow! Dimple, can candy be that big? You see that too, right? The sweet robbery is just around the corner! We have to act now! Where are the scissors, partner? Let's clear this place out! Yes! Amanda's still hiding in the closet! We'll see who gets the last laugh! Simple, we gotta hurry! The police will be here soon! What do you think of my new look? Their jokes are trash! They call themselves burglars? You have to be more careful when you're using scissors! One wrong move and you're covered in paint! What? The candy isn't real? That's right, it's a trap! Surprise, guys! What? We're going to get you, stupid girl! What are you looking at, Dimple? Take that! Confetti isn't the worst thing that could happen. It's not worse than the fact that the candy turned out to be fake. Amanda is preparing her next trap, replacing good food with spoiled candy. The robbers are close. Time to hide. This is the game room. Keep your eyes peeled. That girl must be around here somewhere. But you can always take a little break, right? Robberies are so tiring. Dimple, stop! It's a trap! The girl slipped us some spoiled food. That's so basic. Who does she think we are? And the real sweet treasure must be hiding behind the painting. Look, Dimple, we're on the right track. And something tasty must be inside the balloons. This girl's not bad, but you can't fool the sugar burglars. Simple and Dimple are pros when it comes to sweet crimes. Hey, Amanda! Do better! Her plan failed, but Amanda will still get her sweet revenge. Simple, hurry up! There's still mountains of candy in this house. We have to take everything! Oh no! Dimple, look out! Looks like he needs help. That skateboard will get him there in a second. Straight to the street. All right, I'll even open the doors. Bye-bye, robber! Steal candy somewhere else. That was so easy. Dimple will lie here on the grass for a while. That was an exciting ride. Hey, partner, get up. No time to rest. We haven't cleaned this house out yet. Dimple. Nice doggy. And he likes sweets, too. The perfect pet. Follow him. Amanda's trap worked. The sugar robbers fell for the sweet and fuzzy bait. Run! The sugar thieves will remember this guard dog for a long time. Simple, it's all your fault. Why fight it, Dimple? There's plenty of clothes here. Time for a makeover. What do you think? Hurry up and change. Oh, Dimple, it suits you. You look like the yellow M&M in that jacket. Wow, there's candy everywhere in this house, even in the clean laundry. Time for a snack.
Yum.
Now that's the sweet life. But Amanda won't give up. She's about to show those thieves what she can do. That's mine, buddy. Give it back. The fishing lessons from Amanda's dad weren't all for nothing. Don't cry, Dimple. We'll get your choco pie back right now. Watch out, girlie. I got you. Tell me, where's all the candy? Over there. Just don't touch me. Well, that was easy. Dimple, wipe your tears and follow me. Keep running, guys. You don't know what's waiting for you. Here's the treasure, a huge piñata filled with candy. Hit it as hard as you can. What's that weird sound? I think there's something inside. Something that's buzzing. Oh no! Please! Help! Run! That girl tricked us again! Get in the house! Let's finish what we started. They won't leave even the smallest scrap of candy behind. And Amanda is already waiting for the burglars. The trap is ready. I wonder if sugar robbers like oil. Dimple, go upstairs. We're going to teach you a lesson, girlie. It's a shame to use this cake as bait, but it's worth it. This way. Let's check this room. Dimple, look at this cake. How about we eat it? But the oil on the floor won't let any robber through. Ha! There's no way Dimple's falling for that cheap trick. Kate, I'm coming to you. It didn't work. There's an invisible obstacle. Poor Dimple. Simple, let's get out of here. It's empty. Now, do you want some more sweets? After the icing mask, the robber will want to wash his face. Black paint on the tap. This is gonna be good. Here comes Dimple. I need water. This cake is delicious, but so sticky. Oh, it's warm. I need to wash my face and go look for sweets. Oops, are those really my hands? Ah! What happened to my face? Come on out, partner. The girl's here. We almost got her. Oh, why are you dirty? It's a long story. Let's just get her. Hey, I've been waiting for you. Get her. Hurry up. But the sugar robbers can't get to the sweet stuff. There's only a cool shower waiting for them. Dimple, it's time you had a good scrub. Cold water is so invigorating. But Amanda has to go now. Don't forget to turn off the water, guys. Oh no, that girl fooled us again. Just you wait. Time to end this sweet madness. There's a great idea. But the robbers aren't going to give up. Follow me, Dimple. I know where we can hide. The library. Oh no, Amanda is on her way there too. That's weird. Did she decide to hide her supplies in the library? Look, Dimple, she's already here. You losers don't even know what I'm up to. There's a secret button. It will help me hide all the treats. Yeah, there you are. What's going to happen now? It turns out the button opens secret shelves. Whoa! This is where Amanda will hide all the candy. Simple and safe. You losers can't even imagine it. But Simple and Dimple are on the lookout. Done! The treats are safe. I can close the shelves. Now get out of here before the thieves start to suspect anything. But now Simple and Dimple know about the sweet stash too. All we have to do is press this button. I'll do it. No, I'll do it. Let's do this together. Oops, that didn't work. When strangers press the secret button, it calls the police. Simple and Dimple, you belong in sugar prison. You are under arrest. Bye, guys. I hope I don't see you again. It's been 5 years, and our criminals are still in sugar prison. But they served their time, which means, yay! Freedom! Did you like our sweet story? Want to see a sequel? Then tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell. Don't miss the next sugar heist on Troom Select.